Headed to Castaway Cay with your family? From beach time to character hugs and even a little alone time for parents. Here are 5 things your kids will love, and a few you will too.
Showcase suggestions, where I share travel tips and lists of 5 to help make traveling with kids a little easier.
Hi, I'm Christina. I'm the owner of Showcase the World Travel, a modern travel agency dedicated to helping busy parents plan magical vacations that the whole family will love without the overwhelm. We just got back from our Disney cruise, and my daughter loved our day at Castaway Cay. And as a travel advisor who sailed with Disney multiple times, and as a mom, here are my top 5 favorite things to do on Castaway Cay with kids. Number 1, just enjoy the beach. Sometimes the simplest option is the best one. Castaway Cay has beautiful family-friendly beaches with plenty of soft sand, gentle waves, and shady umbrellas. Let the kids build sand castles, splash at the shore, and then just enjoy the magic of being on a private island made for families. Or take advantage of the included amenities. Don't miss out on the Pelican Plunge water slide. It's a floating platform with 2 slides right off the beach. It's a hit with school-aged kids. You can also rent snorkel gear, floats, or bikes if you want to explore beyond the beach. The snorkeling lagoon is great for adventurous kids who want to spot hidden Mickeys under the sea. If Disney Cruise is on your wish list or already booked, be sure to grab our Disney Cruise Line stateroom guide, the guide to finding the perfect setup for your family. I'll share where to get it in just a few minutes. Third thing is meeting characters in their island outfits. Castaway Cay is one of the best places to meet Disney characters in exclusive beachwear. You might see Mickey in a Hawaiian shirt or Goofy in a snorkel mask, and there's not usually the long lines like in the parks. We love meeting Captain Jack Sparrow on the island. So check your Navigator app for locations and times so you don't miss those photo ops. The next is to book an excursion if your kids can handle it. There are a lot of great family-friendly excursions or port adventures available on Castaway Cay. Think glass bottom boat tours, family bike rides, or stingray encounters. Just be sure to book early. Some excursions fill up fast, especially during school breaks. Watch this video we did on choosing a shore excursion that will really help you figure out how to best balance your Disney cruise. Speaking of excursions filling up fast, the other thing that fills up really fast are the private cabanas. In order to really be able to get a private cabana, you do need to be staying concierge. And I mean, I've been trying. I am gold castaway, and if I'm not staying concierge, I have not been successful for myself or my clients to get that very coveted private cabana. So concierge is really the only way to get those, which is why I didn't really include it in here. I did do a video on staying concierge. I don't like to do videos back to back like that, but I feel like that is necessary to put here right now. All right, the last one, which is probably my favorite, let them play at Scuttle's Cove. It's the kids club on the island. If you need a little break, this one's for you. Scuttle's Cove is the island version of the Oceaneer Club. It's staffed by Disney counselors and full of kid-approved fun. They'll play games, dig in the sand, and maybe have a dance party with their favorite characters while you sneak off to Serenity Bay, the adults-only beach. On one of our cruises, Annabelle went into Scuttle's Cove and I went to do yoga on the beach. No one else showed up, so I had a private yoga session on the beach, and it was incredible. If you're thinking about booking a Disney cruise or want to make the most of one you already have booked, make sure you grab that guide. It's our Disney Cruise Line guide for choosing the best stateroom, for help choosing the best space for your crew. You'll find it in the description below. And of course, if you want a Disney cruise experience where everything is handled for you, from excursions to stateroom selection to character tips, we'd love to help. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your fellow Disney-loving parents. And as always, take a break from the busy.
Need help planning your next family vacation? Visit us at showcasetheworld.com to request a quote or schedule a free vacation consultation. Want more great travel tips? You'll find those there too.